welcome to You Can Do It. Today we're working on a Vespa ET4, same as the LX and things like that. Basically the problem today is that we need to put some more tension on the rear spring and shock up system, because basically when you're riding this 2-up, it keeps bottoming out the back wheel, it keeps bang bang, because basically it's set single rider, and I probably reckon this has never been changed since it was built, because it's on the setting is on the lowest setting, and we need to change that. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So stick with us with this video, and I'll show you how you can set the settings on your spring on the back there. First things first, let's get straight to the chase. You need to get you've still got it, your little kit that comes with the bike, purely because you want this spanner here to change that. Now what I'm going to do, the way I'm going to actually do it is I'm going to take off a panel here, which you probably don't need to do yourself, but it just makes it easier for me to video and show you what's going on. So you take this off, get your, so you undo that. Right, now this panel, you just basically have to bend it like that, pull the poppers out, and that comes off. Right, now we do that just so that you can now see this little ring here. What we need to do now is turn this ring. If you have a look, there's a little stub there, and that ring is sitting on that stub, and if you look, that's at the lowest point, the highest point, sorry. So you to just put more pressure on that, push the spring that way. You need to keep moving, rotating this around, click 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 to there. Now that hasn't been, I guarantee that won't have been moved since the bike was made. So I need to spray that with WD-40 up around there to loosen that off. And then this spanner here, look, the spanner's all made so that you can go up behind the filter, look, and click in. So they are, and then you can turn it like that and turn that spring. But of course I can't do that at the moment because it's lock solid, so I need to just spray some WD-40 up there and leave it for half an hour. So let me do that and I'll be back. Okay, back again. So I've squirted WD-40 up there, look, and now I can start to move it. You can see I'm starting to move it there. You see it starts to move. So basically you're going to put that around there. Now it's really hard, so I've actually got an adjustable spanner which I'm putting on the end of there to give me more leverage. But I'm going to push that round, and we'll go up to that next one, and then the next one, and then the next one. So let me do that. Okay, so I need to take the air filter off to get this. It's too hard to get to at the moment. So that spring. So you just take that off, unscrew that, and take that off. I'll just take this whole air filter off. And then last but not least, we just need to take this one off the top here. Okay, where are we? There, you can see there, look. So I've done that. I've got that all the way around onto there. Now, to be honest, you've got a couple of options here. That is really, really difficult to do. You need to put a lot of leverage on that. And if it's been old and it's been, oh, it's not old, if it's old, it's been sitting there for ages, you might actually need to take the shock absorber off. If you want to take the shock absorber off to do it, you just undo that bolt there. That's the easy one, take that one off. Then under the seat here, take this off. Take that off. You whip that off there. Down there, you can see the nut for your. I mean, you might need to take this off if you took it for access, but you can just get down in there. Look. See, there's your nut there for the top of the shocker. So you undo that nut there and take that off. So once you've taken that off, you'll end up with that. So that's the lower rubber and the upper rubber, and you got that. So then you can then put that in a vise, and it's a lot easier to turn that round, get it, because you're obviously increasing the spring tension massively. So and you can do it like that. And if it's stiff, put some WD-40 and work it in. Okay, look, I've just been and done that. I grip this ring in the vise like that, and then you just put a bar in the top there, and you can turn that, look, and I've turned that up to full setting there. So it's a lot easier in the vise to do it. So if you have any problems with it, you just quickly take the shocker off. But it's honestly only two, that bolt and that nut, and then you're done. Right, I'm going to quickly put that side back on. We're going to take it for a test. Now all I've got to do is put that cover back on, and she's good to go. Now I've done it to the maximum setting, so that's going to be definitely good for 2 riders, but it will be a stiffer ride. I hope this helps you. If you like the channel, subscribe. If you've got any comments, send me a comment. And remember, you can do it.